Everybody, it's really nice to see all of you here. बहुत time के बाद some familiar faces and some not so familiar. बहुत time के बाद देखा तुम सबको. So it's really nice to be here. Some really good memories about school, I guess, would be when the two new teachers joined. Not two, three new teachers. When Shaila, Veronica, and there's a third teacher. We all trying to remember the name.
Adria, I see what
she had that curly hair, nose.
Bernadette, is it Bernadette?
Veronica
teacher was a teacher.
Who's? There's one more. Not a Rego, right? Young, fair.
I know her.
Move on.
मैथ्स टीचर की थी जो मैरिज जिसकी शादी हुई थी टीचर रीडिंग नो इवन कम्स सो सून फ्रॉम हनीमून
Oh, red वाला दाग.
Shaila, he did that. You're doing it wrong.
मुझे नहीं ये दाग क्या चीज
He said, you know, bite.
हाँ भाई वो you remember हम लोग ऐसे करके बनाते थे.
Love bites.
वो वेरोनिका टीचर है ना.
Veronica नहीं, Shaila.
दिसंबर लास्ट वीक का तो उसका शादी थी. She was getting married in the last week. She didn't come. And the first जो जैसे अपने स्कूल रीओपन होते हैं on the 3rd or the 4th. So she came, but she came on the 7th or the 8th, you know. मतलब first week छोड़ के second week में आई. And the moment she entered the class, we all knew कि वो शादी हुई है and all. But उसके face पे पूरा ऐसा red दाग, ऐसा. तो पहले तो हम लोगों को कुछ समझ में नहीं आया. फिर बाद में कुछ लोगों से पता चला कि भाई क्या चीज़ है. तो हम लोग अभी टीचर के सामने क्या करें टीचर को और तभी शी वाज अ न्यू कमर और उसके साथ सबका 36 का था विशु का भी 36 का था
सबका 36 का
और हम लोग क्या कहते हैं टीचर के सामने जैसे टीचर के हम लोग
I remember we had asked the teacher जल्दी आ रहा है I remember that
यार चिराग ये सब की बात करती थी
सबसे कमी ना चिराग
मेरे को बताया किसी ने
इसने भूषण ने तभी अपने एक सॉरी यू कैन से देयर वाज दिस थिंग एड्स की बीमारी नहीं निकली हमारे पीछे है ना एक लड़की कोई नाम नहीं लूंगा दिस गर्ल वाज स्लीपिंग शी वाज फास्ट asleep so मिस्टर चंडालिया turns around
कौन?
नाम दारू पिला फिर ऐसे बाहर नाम नहीं निकला तो ऐसे सोई थी मैं और भूषण बैठे थे तो ऐसे सोई हुई है एंड देन शी वाज फास्ट asleep भूषण पीछे मुड़ा एंड देन ही मूविंग हैंड ऑन द एंड हाथ घुमा एंड शी डिडंट वेक अप बिकॉज़ शी वाज asleep भूषण को अनिल ये ना सिम्टम एड्स का एड्स के अंदर ही है ना उसको एंड दिस हैंड इज कंटीन्यूअसली ऑन एड्स के अंदर ही
Ninth standard?
हां
Ninth? I think I know the person.
Yeah, we were all together. और वो घुमाए जा रहा है, बोला हाथ तो घुमाना मत, and then suddenly that girl wakes up. तो भूषण like, तू ठीक है ना? अरे सीधा 10 मिनट तक इसका एड्स का फायदा उठाया.
Even Pamela teacher used to tell him keep your distance from her.
हाँ,
Remember that.
भूषण से तो हर कोई जाना डिस्टेंस है. Go ahead, Vishu, sorry.
Back to you.
So that was the phase when these two new teachers are joining, Shaila and Veronica. हम लोग सब लोग उनमें से पंगा था. I remember when okay, this was not the story that I heard for affair, where it was maths papers after the corrections.
I know.
You get all your papers, you have to check and see. So then Ofer realizes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay. So he is sitting at a nice spot.
It's nice that I could not be noticed.
So then she gives the papers and Ofer sees papers and he's like, we used to go to classes and all, I guess, that time. So we were quite good at maths. So then he goes back and says like, teacher, this is not right. So she's like, and she used to look at the guide.
no what she should right
Yeah. So she used to not show us that she has the guide. So she used to look at that. And then this guy says, no, it is right because I guess you would use a different way to solve the problem.
Yeah.
And they had a big argument on that. Nofar gets very upset. I don't want your marks, I don't want your papers. He throws the papers on her face and he walks away.
Yeah, I know. Right.
So that was when crazy.
He was a hero.
I had been listening to Shaila. At that time, again, we had gone to classes, and there was somebody sitting next to me. I don't remember who it was. And that guy did not know, and we had already finished our classes when you were working. So she was teaching something wrong, and he was not able to understand. So this guy asked, "What's happening?" So then I nicely trying to explain to him, "Okay, you do this, you do this." So then Shaila sees at that, she says, "Vishu, what are you doing?" So I'm like, "Well, I'm showing you." It's like, "Stand up." So it's like, "Why should I stand up?" I don't respond. So then like, "Vishu, stand up." I still don't respond. And she gets very upset, and by that time she's like all teary-eyed and all. And she's like, "Vishu, better stand up and get out of the class." I said, "Sorry, I didn't do anything wrong, I was just showing him." So she gets so upset, she goes in all tears, she goes to the vice principal, comes back, I think it was Stella madam.
Actually was me.
She calls Stella madam, comes back, we're taken outside, and she tries to explain, and it was a big announcement at that time. So that was a real memorable incident. But yeah, before that as well in school with Gurpreet and all, it's like you know, for us childhood has not ended actually, because we have been in school together from KG until now we are together. So it really feels like, you know, it's like a never-ending phase where it's just going on and on and on and building up. More memories are coming, and I feel somehow we are really lucky somewhere that we are able to keep in touch. So
I accept that.
I'm really, you know, thankful to having such wonderful friends. That
These are my assets.
It's just amazing. So it's a beautiful feeling. And it's really nice to meet
Gloria.
Hiki teacher used to like me.
She used to jump.
And I know, you know, when I just joined school, I was actually young. As in, I was the youngest of all of us.
Yeah.
And I was not given admission
Don't
to
show
school.
off now.
And actually, Lata Hari teacher is the one who got me into school. I don't think anybody knows that. She's the one who actually got me into school, and that's how I know from. Really? Yeah. No, usko परेशानी नहीं दिया मैंने. So yeah, it's been really nice.